Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and what I want to go through and do is I want to make all of my font sizes about the same. Notice that this is 14. That's Calibri 14. What is this one? That's Calibri Body 12. Let's look at this one. What is this one? That's Calibri 9. All right, let's go with Calibri 14. Let's standardize this. So let's go to this one first and see if we can make this work. Let's start here and then let's select this. Let's go home. Let's go Calibri 14. That's okay. I think that's very obvious and not too crazy. Let's go to box plot. Let's circle, not circle, let's shade this one as well. We can get a hold of it. Well, it's going to let me do it right there, wasn't it? Let's try it again. Let's do it like that so we don't have to. Let's go to 14 there. Yeah, it's not too obscene, and it's kind of standard. I wonder if we could bold that one. Just make it, no, it's already bolded. Okay. Well, let's unbold these then. Let's leave the title bold and let's leave these descriptions regular font. Let's go back and do this once again. All right, got it. Let's unbold it. Okay, I like that better. All right, and let's unbold that one. Okay, so we're going to go with 14 on these fonts, and we'll make the title bold. We'll also make the page title 14 bold. That makes sense. Let's go home. Let's go 14. Is there a way to just do Calibri? Okay, Calibri 14. We'll leave that bold. All right. So we've kind of standardized most everything. Maybe that could be bold, but I'm really not interested. No, I'm not going to ask you to do this section right here anyway on your lab report. Let's don't do that. What is the standard font size right here? What is that? That's 10.5. Man, I've got very little standardization. I notice that the letters here, that these are 11, that they're Calibri 11. So why don't we just do all this other text, Calibri 11. Calibri 11. Let's do that. Will that work? Can we do that? All right. All right. So we did the bold titles. We made all of the major titles 14, Calibri 14. And then these are Calibri 11. This is Calibri 11. And I don't think I can control this. So there we go. We changed some font styles in this Excel spreadsheet density lab report.